In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Supermarket Simulator on your PC. So Supermarket Simulator is a game that allows you to become and manage your own supermarket. You will be able to choose products, save prices, control staff, and much more. The goal is to make your supermarket successful and profitable. So to download this game, first of all, you need to open any browser in your system, and then you're going to type into the search box for Steam. Once you search for Steam, you can just go with the top link and then you will be redirected to the official website of Steam. After that, you will be able to see here a search box on the right side of your screen. So you're going to type in here the name of your game in this search box, which is Supermarket Simulator. And once you search for that, you will be able to see here Supermarket Simulator. So you're going to click on that. After that, you need to scroll down till you find the option Add to Cart. And once you find this option, you can just click on that. After that, you need to click on View My Cart. And if you want to remove any unnecessary items, you can just click on Remove on them. Otherwise, you can click on Continue to Payment. If you're already logged into your Steam account, you will be redirected to this checkout page. Otherwise, they will ask you for your login information. So you're going to enter that and then you should be able to see here this kind of page. First of all, you have the option to select your payment method, that's how you want to pay. And once you have done that, you can just type in here your payment information and then scroll down and click on continue. Once you click on continue, this game will be purchased and added to your account. So to see the games in your account, you're going to scroll up back and click on the Steam logo to go back to the home page of Steam. And in here, you're going to hover your cursor over your username. And from the drop down menu, you're going to click on games. Once you click on games, you will be able to see here all of your games. And if you want to find a specific one, you can just type in here the name of that game in the search box. Otherwise, you can just scroll down to find that game. And once you have found that, you can just click on download. And once you do so, the game will start downloading into your device.